36 workers were supposed to pack an equal number of boxes of oranges each. However, 3 workers fell sick and did not report to work. As a result, the rest of the workers had to pack n more boxes of oranges each. Find the total number of boxes of oranges that were packed in terms of n. Now, to do this, we need to ask ourselves this question, right? Why is it that each of the remaining workers, look at this, the rest of the workers had to pack n more boxes of oranges each? Why is that so? It's really because of the 3 people who unfortunately fell sick. Alright, so the extra n boxes for each of the 33 workers. How do you get 33? 36 minus 3. The extra n boxes for each of the 33 workers was actually supposed to be packed by these 3 workers. Okay, so how much extra, or how many extra boxes do these 33 workers have to pack? It will be 33 multiplied by n, right? Because each of them, they have to pack n more boxes. So that is 33n. And again, this 33n was supposed to be packed. By 3 workers, because they were absent. Alright, because these 3 workers were absent, this 33n number of boxes are now being divided equally into the rest of the workers. The rest of the workers means 33 workers. So now, if 3 workers have to pack 33n boxes, 3 workers, 33n boxes, then we can find the total, right? The question is total number of boxes of oranges that were packed in terms of n. Now the total originally, of course, was for 36 workers. This is the original number of boxes of oranges that needs to be packed. Okay, so 36 workers, how many boxes? Now what we can do is you go to one worker first. 33n divided by 3, that is 11n boxes. Alright, and to get 36 workers, okay, so what we do is 11n times 36, and we get an answer of 396n boxes of oranges that were supposed to be packed in total.